Hi everybody, once again. Here I am, Manvi, Nia, for you guys. And this time it's Nia Sharma Cafe. Cake, gifts, bouquet. What not? I mean, have you guys gone crazy? I cannot tell you, dude. इसकी क्या जरूरत थी यार? टीवीसी पे हम थे, फैन पेज का केक भेजा. अब निया शर्मा कैफे इज जस्ट वन कैफे यार. मतलब वही गर्ल्स वीसी पे भी हैं, वही गर्ल्स निया शर्मा कैफे भी है. व्हाट डिफरेंस वुड इट मेक, यू टेल मी. और मैं अपने फेसबुक पे पोस्ट नहीं करती हूँ, टाइम मिलता नहीं आने का. एंड यू गाइज आर सो डिमांडिंग नाउ दैट यू गाइज वांट अस टू पोस्ट इन निया शर्मा कैफे. यू गाइज वांट मी टू पोस्ट इन वीसी ऑन माय फैन पेज. वेयर डू आई व्हाट डू आई डू, वेयर विल आई गो, यू टेल मी. Doesn't happen like this na. And people, for all those girls who think that I do not post in Nia Sharma Cafe or I have a problem with that, let me clarify. I really don't get time. And मेरे recent मेरे फ़ोन में अभी ना नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम बहुत चल रही है. सो वेयर एवर आई एम सिटिंग आई कॉन्ट पोस्ट पिक्चर्स. आई कॉन्ट, इफ़ आई पोस्ट समथिंग तो वो जाता नहीं है, पोस्ट नहीं होता, अपलोड नहीं होता. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल गोइंग ऑन विद माई फ़ोन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. अदरवाइज, I mean, I love Nia Sharma. Why wouldn't I? Yeah, it's a typical cafe for myself, and all the. But yeah, why are you doing this? You tell me. I mean, in the last 1.5 years, you have sent enough gifts. Please just stop it. Just put a full stop now. 150 likes and you send a cake and this and that. So it's just. Well, thank you once again. So I'll cut the cake now. Radhika, I mean, you've done all of this alone. What do I say, yaar? Please, yaar. I mean, you guys are giving me enough reasons to cry, okay? Like, cry. And I don't want to say it right now. I don't want to start right now, but you all know what's going on. But whatever. But thank you, Radhika. It's. I'm really glad. I'm really feeling good. And I just got to know you are the founder of Nia Sharma Cafe. I will keep posting, trust me, and about everything. I mean, it's such a pleasure to receive gifts from you. Thank you so much. अभी ये इतना बड़ा कार्टन मेरे सामने रखा है. एक गिफ्ट काफ़ी नहीं होता है क्या? I mean, seriously, Radhika. Dude, even if you had sent me one gift, I would feel equally nice. But this is such a big gift. But it's okay. तुम लोगों को बोल के कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. Let me open this. Nia Sharma, you are cordially invited to your own cafe. Without you, this cafe is insipid. Oh, okay. We trust you will join the Nia Sharma Cafe. Dude, I will join everything you invite me on. I will come everywhere you invite me to. And I mean, I will just do what you say. Your wish is my command. Maria Khan and friends. Thing 3. Shruti Raman. A girl with sexy. I am very well aware of all these names. I keep reading their posts and feel nice. Shruti Raman तो कुछ अलग ही zone में जाके लिखती है. Her English is really nice. I like her posts. But it's an amazing piece. I will. अब मैं यहाँ पे रूम मेरा भर गया है तो अब मैं अपने घर में सजाना शुरू करूँगी ये सब. So when people come to my house, if anybody comes to my house, they will just go crazy looking at what I have. You know what? मैं लंदन से I got 5 pairs of shoes, but I'm going to wear these. तुम लोगों को पता है जो भी तुम भेजते हो मैं ज़रूर यूज़ करती हूँ, पहनती हूँ. See this also, if somebody recognizes, somebody has sent me this. I don't remember the name. Pari, are you sure? Pari, you sent this, right? See, I'm wearing it. अभी तक मैं 3 pairs अपने शो में पहन चुकी हूँ. I'm so proud when people ask me, what are you wearing? What are you using? अभी मैंने 3 दिन से, I've been using all these earrings, so everybody has complimented me. So I said my pants have sent me, such a with pride I say it, I feel so happy, guys. Seriously. So cute. अच्छा ये पूरा सेट है क्या? इसके साथ पहनूं? Okay, fine. I'll wear it. But I'm sure I have to get it altered. But it's a pretty dress. And I don't just say it, I mean it. To every girl, it's not because I have got this gift. When I came to London now, when I went to UK, so I got बहुत सारे divinities, बहुत सारे gifts for my fans. I thought that I would meet all the girls who are there in Virman Cafe. मैं बहुत hope से आई थी, and with getting those divinities कि मैं at least कुछ लोगों को जो मेरे से मिलेंगे मैं उनको दे सकूँ. पर I do not think कि आप लोगों में से कोई मुझे वहाँ पे मिला, और वो divinities सिर्फ lucky ones जो क्या बोलते हैं उसे, लकी ड्रॉ जो होता है उनमें से किसी एक को रैंडमली मिला. बट आई एम हैप्पी दैट एटलीस्ट पीपल हु केम टू मीट अस दे गॉट. बट आई डेस्परेटली वांटेड टू गिव दोज डिविनिटीज टू यू गर्लीज, यू नो, समबडी हु कुड मीट. मे बी आई वाज जस्ट होपिंग कि इनमें से कोई मुझे मिले वहाँ पर कोई नहीं आया. मैं अपनी चीज़ें कब पहनूँ, मतलब मेरे को फुर्सत नहीं मिलती है तुम लोगों की चीज़ें ख़त्म करने में. They are very usable, they are very pretty. Amazing collection यार. उनकी choices ना, they outsmart me. What's this? Chains. Alright, thank you. ये होगा यार. इन लोगों की चीज़ें एक तो समझना इतनी मुश्किल है ना. Now see this. Oh. Dude, where's the other pair? What do I do? एक मिनट. क्या चक्कर है ये? तुम लोग मेरे साथ खेल रहे हो क्या? एक शू के साथ क्या करूँ मैं? No, but I'll keep it there. इस शू को मैं रखूँगी संभाल के. Okay? Another dress. Hi. I don't think I'll have to get it altered. नहीं, I have to get it. No, I'll wear it and then tell you. So cute. और ये क्या कहते हैं, ये सिल्वर बेलीज तो यूनिवर्सल भेज दिया तुमने. जो ड्रेस पहनूंगी उसी के साथ जाएगी. इट विल कॉम्प्लीमेंट एवरीथिंग. सो इट्स अ प्रीटी ड्रेस. आई विल वेयर इट. ये रहा दूसरा शू. ये रहा, मिल गया. यस, हियर इट इज. टॉप. स्मार्ट चॉइस डूड. रियली स्मार्ट. मैं जाती हूँ कुछ पहन के, कुछ आ जाता है तो मैं वही पहन के चली जाती हूँ. शाम को आई एम वेयरिंग अ वाइट स्पेगेटी एंड अ वाइट पजामा दैट आई बॉट फ्रॉम लंडन. बट मैं जाऊँगी इनमें से कोई एक ड्रेस पहन के. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये बहुत पार्टी वेयर है. नाइस. डोंट यू थिंक इट्स टू बिग फॉर मी? ओके, आई विल ट्राई इट देन. हाउ डू आई लुक? ऑसम. Thank you. Okay. Spaghetti. Nice. Love you, Nia. I hope you like my choice. Enjoy my gifts. I hope you like my choice, baby. I like everything you have sent me. It's the gesture is only very nice. Yeah? I mean, the way you... Cuties. Tell me what is this black thing, okay? And then there is this whitey. Love you, Nia. Be happy always. Love you too. So nice. But dude, none of these are my sizes. I have to get everything altered. But anyway, nonetheless, thank you so much. Personal, please don't read in front of the camera. अच्छा, इसने तो पूरा फेसबुक ही छाप दिया इसमें. लावण्या एंड राधिका. ग्रेट एफर्ट. I mean, how could I possibly thank you for everything, yaar? I don't know. These memories are never going to go from my. Hate me for a while. Bye. Good night, my sweet. Acha, yeah, she's been posting all this while. She's Radhika. Yeah, that's me, Radhika. You are a cutie, you know that? Born and brought up from Hyderabad. Love you, Nia. Proud to be fan come well wisher. Keep rocking and stay always blessed. God bless you and all your wishes come true. You're a very cute girl, I must tell you. You're a chubby cheek. So don't people pull your cheeks like you want to pull my cheeks. So I've seen you. I'll remember you. And thank you for every little thing you've done for me, and for the cafe, for the gifts, for the cake, for the bouquet. I mean, I'm really honored. Thank you so much, Radhika. Nia, this is for your mom. Lots of love. You know what is this? ये इसके और इसके ऊपर ये yeah. Okay. इसके हाँ, this is the two piece. I will just tell my mom to see this segment and she will love. Dude, it's really pretty. Seriously. It's a very stylish piece. मैंने भी मम्मी को आज तक कुछ ऐसा दिलवाया नहीं. बहुत अच्छा है यार, बहुत smart है यार. ये leggings के साथ पहनेंगी ना, she'll look amazing. Alright, so one gift from the fans to my mom, and she will also tell everybody with pride that fans sent her this. Thank you so much, Radhika. It has been lovely, lovely opening all your gifts. And I know how much time you must have spent looking out for all these gears, these shoes, these earrings, everything. And it takes a lot of time. So my post goes out on Nia Sharma Cafe. Although I keep visiting every now and then, but just to prove you guys, I do. Nia Sharma Cafe. How do you think I can post like this? Yeah. See, तुम्हें लगता है मैं post नहीं करती हूँ, मैं आती नहीं हूँ. So I'll post as soon as I get the network. Connection lost once again. So please, guys, now you know that I really don't have network. That is why sometimes I don't post. I'll post it for sure. इतने प्यार से तुम लोगों ने निया शर्मा कैफ़े से मुझे कुछ भेजा है. हाउ कैन आई नॉट पोस्ट देयर? बट ट्रस्ट मी, प्लीज़ डोंट कंप्लेन कि मैं पोस्ट नहीं करती हूँ या फिर मैं देखती नहीं हूँ. मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ निया शर्मा कैफ़े, मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ विरमान कैफ़े. Because in this 1.5 year, these are the only two cafes that have kept me busy like anything. I have stopped going to my own profile also. Trust me, yaar. How can you say, how can you just put an allegation on me that I don't post? So don't say that. I have always been busy on Virman Cafe. I have always been busy on Nia Sharma Cafe, and ask Kushal about this. Thank you so much, Radhika, once again, Lavanya, and all the girls who have contributed to sending this gift to me. It's amazing, yeah. Thank you so much.